Hello, so I decided to restart my Microlocs, and this is just a video to show you what they kind of look like and how I did the process. Well, not really how I did the process, but the process of me getting it done. I'll show you how I started them with the parts that I did. And it's really just really small twists. So what I did was I sectioned them into, I didn't count how many they are, but plaits. After I washed it, I didn't really put anything in it, just a little bit of Cantu leave-in conditioner, and that was just to keep a little bit of moisture in my hair for the week. And so what I did was take the section, make a part, a tiny part, probably like about this big. I don't know if you can really kind of see that, and then just started grabbing each section with my nail. I didn't even use a comb because I just knew that precision was just not for me. I don't care too much if it's exactly the same. I kind of like more of a freeform kind of look anyway, so that's what I did, and I just twisted each little part. Some of them are a little bit bigger than others. If I come to the point where I realize some are a little too big, then I will most likely just take it out and split it in two, or take another one and split it into two, however I see fit. But yeah, so I decided to restart my Microlocs, and I'm really excited, so just look forward to what it has. I don't know why I did not count them, but I did not count them. I think that maybe that might be something I'll do just to be able to see. I think it'll be pretty cool to know how many I have, but so yeah. So after careful deliberation, I have decided to restart my Microlocs. As you can see here, I have my hair sectioned off, and I'm just going to go through by each section and part each row and begin twisting. That is how I'm going to be doing it, so really small twists. So here you can see I actually did that first box. It's not perfect. I don't care for it to be perfect, but that's my own way. So I just kind of did the parts and sectioned them. As you can see here, I kind of just wore a wig in between doing all this for work. Here I am almost complete with all of my little locks, a little mini twist. It actually took me an entire week, and that's because I kept stopping and going, and because I had to work. So after work I just come back, do a section or two. Some of them are a little bit bigger than others, but I'm not really being picky. And here is the finished product. This is what it all looks like. So I'm really excited to start this journey again, and knowing myself, even if I decided to take it out, I just have a lot of new growth. I don't have a problem with that, but I really think that I've stuck with the decision this time, because I think this is really where my heart lays, is with Microlocs. You can see the back and the front, just giving a little shake because it is stretched out, and I know when I wash it, it will shrink, but that's okay. But so far I really like it. And here it is in a bun. You can see the bun is pretty full. I like it. There's one taken out, but yeah, thanks for watching.